Try these troubleshooting steps at times when you are experiencing audio playback issues on your Dell computer. If using an external audio device, whether it be headphones, a headset, or a speaker, make sure that the connection between your device and your PC is in good operating condition. If you're using a USB port or an audio jack, inspect the connector end on the device cable as well as the computer port where you are inserting it. Both ends should be clean and free of dust or debris. Look for signs of misuse or physical damage, as bent pins or tabs, obstructed holes or cavities, broken or missing parts can attribute to a poor connection. For wireless devices with a USB receiver, ensure that it's the proper receiver for the device and that it's plugged into a functioning port. If using Bluetooth, make sure the Bluetooth in your system is turned on and that the specific device you want to use is paired with an active connection to your PC. If you need help with connecting to your Bluetooth device, watch our video tutorial on this channel by clicking the link shown. Having no sound could be because a different playback device is set as the default output. To adjust this, click on the audio speaker icon located on the Windows taskbar. Then click to expand the volume bar. Click on More Volume Settings to access the system sound settings. For Choose Where to Play Sound, click to expand the device you want to be the default. For the general option, Set as Default Sound Device, set it to the option appropriate for your use. Use as Default for Audio is for all the system's output audio. Use as Default for Communications is for the device to be used for any communication platforms for audio and video calls. You may want to try running the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Windows search and select Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters, locate Audio, and click Run. The Windows Automated Assistant will outline your issue and ask for your consent to run some tests. Click Yes and wait as it runs through related diagnostics, in which it will continue to suggest actions and give you helper instructions to follow as it attempts to find a resolution. When you're finished with it, click to close. Reinstalling the audio driver may just do the trick. Go to dell.com/support and identify your product by entering your service tag or clicking on This PC. Click on Drivers and Downloads and expand Visit List. Verify the proper operating system, and for the category field, select Audio. In the list populated below, locate the audio driver and click Download. Once the file has downloaded, go to Downloads, click on the audio driver package you just downloaded to run it. Allow the changes and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep in mind that some driver installations use a wizard and may require a system restart to complete the installation. Afterwards, test your system with the newly installed driver. This new installation may have affected the setting for the default audio device, so go back and follow the steps as outlined in Chapter 2 of this video to check it. Do a hardware scan using Dell Support Assist to see if your audio trouble is related to a hardware issue. Follow the steps as outlined in our Support Assist ePSA tutorial to learn how to run the pre-boot system check on a Dell system. Click the link shown for access to the video. If you still need help with your audio, or if you have any questions, contact us through social media for assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where many questions get answered. Subscribe to our channel to get access to all our support videos, and thanks for watching.